Hey there, here are a few common questions and mistakes to avoid when you use your Starlite Smiles Red Light Nasal Light. First, be very careful that you do not insert the nose probes too deep into your nose. Just put them far enough in so that it feels comfortable for you. You can do this sitting down or leaning back, but very important, make sure nothing can bump you, like a child or a pet. You just don't want those probes to get pushed further into your nose. And do not fall asleep with them in your nose because you might roll over and bump them. Next, remember these are LEDs and not lasers, but the lights are really bright, so you still want to be cautious. So always put the light probe into your nose before plugging it in. Also, don't forget to protect your children and your animals from the lights, so do not leave the lights on when they are not in use. I like to use the USB and I will plug it right into my computer. It's so easy. Now, sometimes the probes may slip down a bit in a sitting position, so you'll just have to adjust them and put them back into your nose comfortably, or try leaning back a little bit, it will help. A common question is, how long should you leave them in? As always, check with your doctor before doing red light therapy at home, but our many customers tell us that they use a light like this. Try for 10 minutes for your first session on the lowest power setting, just one click. Then if you don't have any issues, allow for 2 clicks, and then later on, you may use the highest power, which is 3 clicks. Some clients use the lights up to 30-minute sessions, and they do this once or twice a day. A common mistake to avoid is getting the cord wet when cleaning, so always hold by the cord facing down like this. And just use your fingers to rinse with a little drop of soap and some water. Then thoroughly dry before storing. I like to store mine in an uncovered dish. The soap and water rinse is all you really need, but you could also wipe down with a Q-tip and a little 71% isopropyl alcohol for extra sterilizing. Be sure you don't put it in your nose right after wiping it down with alcohol because it may burn. If you have any problems or questions, please reach out to us and we will help you. We'll take excellent care of you with a replacement or a refund if needed. And we are always happy to answer questions, so let us know anything that you may need.